mag-picture ang mga... Wow, ka-nice. Nice. Entrance.
Hindi ka na makuha, te. Makuha mo ba? Dili ka na picture.
Ka-nice sky show.
Dili ka makuha picture sa ubos ba?
Pagkatibay.
Ay, super nice. Wapo lagi kayo nang nagpa-kuan-kuan.
Video.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Charles Malvas.
Sibog na kayo nakita. I can't help falling in love with you.
Our sixth presenter, please welcome Brilliant Bendito.
All my dear friends and my family members. Just like many other people in this world, I also wait the entire year of my grand day, my birthday. This day is a very unforgettable in my life just because of all you. Your endless heart-melting blessings and wishes. Basta ka to. Ikot mo, sabot mo ha. May birthday na ko.
Now, as we come to the end part of our celebration, I would like to request everybody, manindot tanan. Alright, and let's all come forward. Let's have a groupie with our lovely debutant, ladies and gentlemen, with everyone on the background. Dito tantanan. Alright? There you go. Come on. Let's all come forward. Now, Oban will take the backstage, or dito sa my stage, the pit.